Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make gummy candy at home without gelatin and agar agar. We'll focus on using pectin, a fantastic plant-based alternative derived from fruits. Pectin helps create that delightful chewy texture you love in gummies, offering a wonderful option for those avoiding animal-based ingredients. It's a straightforward process that yields delicious results, perfect for customizing your own sweet treats right in your kitchen. To begin your gelatin-free gummy adventure, gather your key ingredients: pectin, sugar, water, or your favorite fruit juice, and citric acid. A crucial first step is to dry mix your pectin with about 1/2 cup of sugar. This simple trick prevents clumping when you introduce it to liquid. Achieving the right pectin-to-sugar balance is vital for perfect gummies, so aim for a final sugar level of 70 to 75% for that ideal chewy consistency. Now for the cooking. Hydrate your pectin-sugar mixture with water or juice, bringing it to a boil. Then, incorporate the rest of your sugar. Cook this mixture until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit for the best gummy texture. If you prefer a softer chew, stop at 230 degrees, or for a firmer candy, go to 250 degrees. Finally, quickly stir in your citric acid solution, and immediately pour the hot liquid into your prepared silicone molds. After molding, patience is key. Let your gummies set in their molds for at least 1 to 2 hours, or even up to 24 hours for optimal firmness. Once fully set, gently pop them out. To prevent them from sticking together, roll them in granulated sugar. This step also enhances their appeal. For best freshness, store your delicious homemade gummies in an airtight container in a cool, dry spot where they will keep well for up to 1 month.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.